Experience the future of in-car recording with the Hikvision AE-DC5013-F6 Dashcam, packed with cutting-edge features. This dashcam is designed to provide you with the highest level of safety and convenience on the road. Up to 1600p high resolution, gold wide angle up to 130. f1.6 super large aperture offering a perfect night image. Support built-in microphone and speaker for audio in and out. Built-in Wi-Fi module and Wi-Fi IP function supported. Built-in G-sensor module. Support video recording linkage at car crash or strong vibration. Micro SD card for video recording, up to 256 gigabytes. Easy installation and user-friendly. Plug and play. Low power consumption and high performance. Phone app, live view, record playback, and parameter configuration. Voice recognition supported. Snapshot, recording on, recording off.
So the initial setup is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is insert the SD card and connect to the power. The SD card has to be a minimum size of 16 gig. Alright, so here is SD card slot. You do need it's a micro SD card. And that's a power connector. And wait for a few seconds, it will start up.
Memory card format is incorrect. Please format it.
Yeah, so when you hear this message, you have to use the app and format the SD card.